Hello there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Business Sites, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how to spot a fake Facebook profile. Probably it has already happened to you that someone that you don't know personally asks you for a friendship on a Facebook, and he or she starts with a little chit chat saying how you doing, where you from, and stuff like that. You will receive some information about a great business opportunity. The profile might not be genuine, and let me show you how to spot the fake profile. So first of all, this is probably how the conversation might look like. If you're suspicious, you can simply go to the person's profile, go to view profile, and go to the profile picture, and with your mouse right click and go to the search with Google Lens. Click on it. What the function does is that Google Chrome just starts searching the internet for the same images as you asked for. You can either leave and even focus on a part of the image. So we see already some results here on the right hand side. The person that has contacted me on Facebook, her name was Ginny Susan. So now it's obvious that based on the Google search image, the results show us that the person on the photo is Claire Rogers, to be a golfer or something to do with the golf. Let's click on the Instagram to check more images, and we'll compare them with the images that are on the Ginny Susan Facebook page. This is what we got. Claire Rogers. Let's scroll down. What we are looking for is the same image as the person on Facebook has been using. This is the same image. This one was taken in June 2023. And let's just take a look at the image of the Ginny Susan, and this was September of this year, meaning September 2024. Obviously, this image was posted 2 years after the original image on Instagram. So that just proves that the image over here, the profile over here named Ginny Susan, is fake. And if you are curious about the information she shared with me, she was talking about some great business opportunity, and the name of the company was Maxolis.com. She claims that the company has been around since 2018. The company is based somewhere in British Columbia, Canada. Over here she says that it's been around since 8 June of 2018. Let's go to whois.com to find out the registration date of the domain, and it says 2023, actually end of 2023. I did ask the person what was the previous domain of the company, and she has no clue what I was talking about. So not only that she misunderstood what I was asking for, we already learned that the profile is fake. It doesn't make sense to continue with the conversation with her. So I just wanted to give you a quick warning about the people, about the fake Facebook profiles. If that happens to you, double check the image, compare it with the other images on the internet, and act according to the results. It's up to you what you're going to do later, whether you want to continue with the conversation and have a little fun, or you can just block the person so you don't have to waste your time. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.